In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play King Legacy on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and play King Legacy on any Xbox console. You will be able to find the experience, join and play using only your controller. So, from the home screen of Roblox, look for King Legacy. You will notice that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the process is going to be exactly the same. I just don't have the means of recording an Xbox screen at this moment. But if you are able to look for King Legacy, you will find the official experience. You will see that it is the official one because it has more than 3 billion visits, and all that you have to do now is go ahead and join. Once you join the experience, you will be able to play on your Xbox console. This is going to work for old gen, so Xbox One, and also newer gen, so Xbox Series S or X. You will be able to load in. Everything will take a while to load, so wait for all the data to load, and then you will be able to use your controller. You can use the left joystick to move around, the right joystick to move your camera, and then the buttons to do specific actions in game. So A will jump. You will be able to interact with the NPCs by walking around. You can enter combat by using the right bumper. As you can see, you can interact with the NPCs and use select or the options button to choose specific options on the menu, so you can accept, decline, and so on, and everything should be adjusted for console. Keep in mind that you might encounter some limitations, but for the most part, it is going to be playable. You can access the menu, go into the shop, see your inventory, and do all sorts of actions. If you encounter problems while trying to do this, sadly, it's mostly down to the fact that the support isn't completely integrated. This is something that the developers have to work on, and most of the time it goes ignored. So if you notice any sort of incompatibility, sadly there's not much that you will be able to do, but for the most part, it is going to be a playable experience. You can dash, all of your progress will be saved, and you will be able to play King Legacy on any Xbox console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play King Legacy on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.